Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Today I have happy mail from Classy Kim Crochets. Kim, you know I love you. Kim has sent me such great happy mail over the years. I feel like she's like a very dear friend of mine. I think she is a dear friend of mine. So today we're gonna open this up. It took a while to get here, as usual. If you don't know, I live in Nairobi, Kenya, so mail takes some time. But let's open this up. She sent it October 12th, and I did get it mid-December, so it took a couple months. Okay, let's open. There we go. You want the first peek? Oops, a little aggressive. What's in there? Ooh. Ooh. What is this action? Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at the colors. Oh my goodness gracious. And there's a card. Those are my favorite candy bar in the whole world. I'm having overload. I have goosebumps. Oh my goodness. There's a chocolate one. I've never seen that in my life. Not saying it's new. I'm just saying I've never seen it. And then there is two regular ones. Oh my goodness. These are the best. When I was growing up, we had to drive to the States to get our paydays. Kim, you know I'm having one of these. Oh my gosh. I'm looking for a towel. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Kim, how did I have these here and not open it for 3 weeks? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm having that. But for people who don't want to watch me eat, I'll do that later. Oh my goodness. Okay, now opening up a nice tape. See, I really do appreciate. What is it, Scotch tape? I love it. Ooh, this is Fancy Town. What has been going on? Peace, my fellow yarnies is the colorway. Okay, hold on. One for you, one for me. Is that not gorgeous? It's a 3-weight, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 212 meters or 232 yards, 51% cotton, 49% rayon from bamboo. Recommended hook needle is 4 millimeter. Machine, wash, cold, tumble dry, do not bleach or iron. Crochetagreement.etsy.com. Contact mlisa73@gmail.com. Well, I'm into that. Crochet in Agreement. Where's her little logo? Look at that. Oh, I'm in love with it. Oh, was I supposed to open the card first? Let's see, Kim, you are the sweetest. You're gonna make me cry. Look at all this goodness in there. Kim, you're the best. Oh, and then she says, hi, Krista, you're the best. No, you are, Kim. I love you. So, Classy Kim's Crochet, she has a channel and a Facebook group, all of which are slammin'. I love it. Let's open up the little goodie bag. She's so, look how she just packages things so cute. Oh, it's a little charm bracelet. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. So there's, oh, I love it. There are all these cute charms on it. I'm gonna show you, hold on, I gotta figure it out. All those cute charms. So there is a pair of those stork scissors, ball yarn, crochet hooks. I don't know what else. Safety pin. Oh, and then the friendship tree. Isn't that pretty? Well, I gotta put that on, Kim. I love it. She's already told me I could pull on it and not break it. The first one, I was like, I'm gonna break it. Now I have to cinch it up. 1 second, I can do it. Maybe I need another hand. Well, I'll do it after. I'll cinch it up later. Isn't that the cutest thing? Kim, mwah, I love you. You're the best. She knows that. So I hope you enjoyed that as much as I do. There's another parcel at my post office, but my post office is closed for the holidays, but I cannot wait to go and pick it up. So that'll be coming up in the future, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. You wouldn't have enjoyed it as much as I did, but I hope you enjoyed it a little bit. Oh my goodness, I love it. That is so nice, Kim. Thank you so much. You're like my bestie. Kim's my bestie. What am I gonna do with this? What am I gonna do with this? It's so pretty. Did you see those colors really? Yeah, you did. I love it. Okay, I gotta stop rambling. Stay hooked. You knew I had to have one. Oh my gosh. I'm salivating. It is 8:40 in the morning and I'm starting my day with candy bar. Well, I already had coffee, so I guess that's not starting the day. So good. Oh my gosh, it's so salty and delicious. Oh, it's so good. Like legit. Salty caramel with salty peanuts on the outside. Maybe it's normal caramel with salty peanuts. So good. Mm. Mm. I have to go have a moment. Thank you, Kim. You are so kind to me. I'm salivating and having my breakfast. So have a super great day and we'll see you in the next video. Stay hooked.